Welcome to our guide on VPN services. Have you ever wondered what a VPN is and how it works? Let's find out. Using a VPN has several benefits, including enhanced privacy, security against hackers, and access to geo-restricted content. There are various types of VPN services available, from free options to paid ones, and personal to business-focused services. When choosing the right VPN, consider factors like speed, server locations, and customer support to find the best fit for your needs. Now, let's go through a step-by-step guide on how to set up a VPN on various devices, including PCs, mobiles, and routers. Establishing a connection to your VPN is straightforward. We'll also troubleshoot some common issues you might face. Let's explore how you can use a VPN for streaming services like Netflix and Hulu to access content from different regions. To maximize your VPN usage, it's important to follow best practices for online security, ensuring safe browsing. There are many myths surrounding VPNs. Let's debunk some of these misconceptions to clear the confusion. In conclusion, choosing the right VPN can greatly enhance your online experience. Remember to consider your needs carefully